Did you know your car already has hidden secrets that can make it faster, smoother, and more reliable without spending thousands? Most drivers ignore these simple tricks, and that's why their cars feel slow and weak. Stay till the end, because trick number 11 can save you from expensive repairs. Let's start. Trick number 1. Clean the mass airflow sensor, MAF. This tiny sensor controls how much fuel your engine gets. When it gets dirty, bad mileage, weak power, check engine light. Use only MAF cleaner spray. Never touch it with fingers or cloth. Clean once a year. Your engine will instantly feel better. Trick number 2. Reset your ECU car computer. Your car learns how you drive. If you drive rough, the computer adapts badly. Disconnect battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect. Now your ECU relearns fresh driving habits. Best after tune-ups, sensor cleaning, battery change. Feels like a new car. Trick number 3. Clean the throttle body. Your throttle controls airflow. Carbon builds up here. That causes rough idle, slow response, stalling. Use throttle body cleaner. Open plate gently. Spray and wipe. Do this every 20,000 kilometers. Huge improvement. Trick number 4. Keep perfect tire pressure. Low tires equals heavy engine load. Check monthly. Find PSI on door sticker. Correct pressure gives better mileage, better steering, less tire wear. This is free power. Trick number 5. Change air filter before it's dirty. Dirty filter equals engine suffocating. Less air equals less power. Change every 10K, 15K km. More air equals better combustion. Cheap upgrade. Trick number 6. Use fuel injector cleaner. Fuel injectors get clogged slowly. You won't notice at first. Symptoms: hesitation, poor mileage, weak pickup. Use cleaner every 8K, 10K km. Restores lost performance. Costs little. Saves big money. Trick number 7. Remove extra weight. Check your trunk. Old bottles, tools, boxes. Every 50 kilograms hurts mileage. Remove junk. Lighter car equals faster, more efficient, less stress, instant improvement. Trick number 8. Warm up your engine properly. Cold engines wear fast. Never rev immediately. Start. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Drive gently first 5 minutes. This alone extends engine life by years. Trick number 9. Check battery, terminals, and ground wires. Weak electrical system equals bad sensors. Symptoms: random lights, poor performance, hard starts. Clean battery terminals. Check ground wires. Tighten connections. Many people ignore this. Big mistake. Trick number 10. Use engine braking smartly. Instead of hard braking, downshift slowly. Benefits: saves brake pads, protects transmission, better control. Professional drivers use this. Learn it. Trick number 11. Master smooth driving, most important. Your driving style decides your car's life. Avoid racing starts, sudden braking, high RPM abuse. Do gentle acceleration, steady speed, early braking. Smooth driving gives better mileage, fewer repairs, longer engine life. This is the best free upgrade. If this video saved you money, hit like, subscribe for Driven to Repair. Turn on notifications. More hidden tricks coming soon. See you next time.